Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about the 7 most fast birds on planet Earth. Now let's not get any late and let's start. The seventh most fastest bird is the dead-beaked merganser. This diving duck has a different head of spiky feathers. These quick ducks have been known to fly as fast as 81 miles per hour, but they need help getting high in the skies. Now, the sixth most fastest bird is the spray-winged goose. This long-necked, mainly black waterfowl has a white face and large white wings patches. It's Africa's largest waterfowl and the largest goose in the world. It can fly up to 88 miles per hour. Now, the fifth most fastest bird is the gyre falcon. This fancy gyre falcon is the largest falcon in the world. They usually hunt birds in the open, flying and high and swiftly swooping down on their prey from above. They can fly up to 90 miles per hour. The fourth most fastest bird is Eurasian Hobby. This recognizer for the orbitic scale Eurasian Hobby are athletes that they can pass food to each other mid-flight as they are soaring through the skies. These falcons are believed to be able to reach speeds up to 99 miles per hour. The third most fastest bird is the white-throated needletail. The While the peregrine falcon and the gold eagle show remarkable speed when diving after prey, the white-throated needletail can reach a speed up to 105 miles per hour while flying straight. The second most fastest bird is the golden eagle, one of the largest raptors in the world. The golden eagle is a powerful brown bird. Its normal speed is up to 20 to 25 miles per hour, but while hunting for its prey, its speed can reach up to more than 150 miles per hour. The fastest bird is the one and only peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world. It's fly at incredible heights while flying normally. The bird speed can reach up to 25 to 30 miles per hour. To hunt prey, the falcon drops into deep dive called stooping and reversing speed up to 200 miles per hour. And that's it for today, guys. So please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.